Hi everyone, welcome back to Let's Do Bonsai. Today we've been erecting some shelves and just putting them in place. We've fixed them to the wall to make sure that they can't fall away, and as you'll see, we've been just randomly positioning some plants. It needs some really good sorting out. There's still some more trees to come in from outside, but we're well populated now. So while we're in here and acclimatising to our new area that's slowly coming together, the shelving I think is quite nice. We will decide what goes where a lot better as we go along. There's a lot of plants that need to be better shelved, and there's some that need to be, you know, packaged up and sent away. But the draw took place a few days ago for the tools, the bonsai tool giveaway that we were running, and I'll just let you know we've got 5 winners. 3 winners that get the tools with the little milk churn. They are Jessica, Josh and Anders from varying places around the world. Jessica's from Ruston, LA. Josh is from Sheffield, England, amazingly. Anders is from Denmark. And then tools without the churn, the winner was Tizian. Sazman, it's German. Tizian wins the tools without the churn. He lives in Germany, so we'll get them out to you as soon as possible. I believe you've replied with your address, etc. That's all. I think I'm waiting for one person's address, but everybody else's will go in the post straight away now. And the last person who wins the tools that are in the brass boot, that's Greg. Greg from Newcastle upon Tyne, so up there in Geordieland. I'll get all those in the post. Whoever hasn't replied with their address, if you could just get back to me with your address, and I can get them all in the post and out to you. I'll also try to put a jade or two, a cutting or something, in the package, because there's just lots of them dotted around, so it'll do me a favour to pass some of them on. So that leaves plenty of more to do for tomorrow. So that's it for me from today. So that's it. I hope you have a great day yourselves. Have a great rest of your day. Make the most of it. If you go outside, wear a mask, be kind to others, animals and the planet. And as always, I'll see you again in the next one.